Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some fall casual outfits for you from a pear-shaped shorty perspective if you're looking for what to wear to be stylish but comfortable this season. In this video, like most of my videos, I'm going to be sharing tons of style inspirations because I want to give you options because I want you to slay and look good this season. So make sure you watch all the way through because I'm going to be sharing tons of different outfit combinations. Of course, where the pieces are from and how they fit and why the outfit works and where you can wear these outfits too. Before we get into it though, make sure you give me that thumbs up and subscribe because you don't want to miss a video on how to wear your clothes, where to find cool new brands, and just getting the most out of your wardrobe and building a style that you absolutely love and building up your confidence so you can be a bad bee, okay? Also, if you don't, you can follow me on Instagram to get even more outfit of the day type stuff, and I'm on TikTok. I share cute dances, some mini vlogs, and all that kind of stuff. So first up, I'm going to share some rompers and jumpsuits. I love stuff that I can just throw on and go, and like I have been loving rompers. I'm so surprised, and of course jumpsuits have always been in rotation for me, so I'm just lumping them together. First is this romper from Beige. Like, even without anything over it, it's already snatched. It's already giving. It's already doing what it's supposed to do. I love it. This is a size medium. I have it in 2 colors. And what I love about this romper is like you could literally throw it on underneath any kind of oversized piece and it just instantly is like a vibe, okay? So this way I did it with like a cute houndstooth blazer. That is something that's always going to be classic. You're going to see a lot of checks and houndstooth. It's fall. So this is like super simple, like throw it on. I'm at the coffee shop grabbing some drinks, but then you could also wear it with like a sandal if it's still a little bit warmer, so it'll transition kind of from like the cool morning into like a warmer day. But if you're going like but if it's a little bit colder, you could also do this kind of style. This is the same romper from Beige, but instead of the houndstooth blazer from H&M, I have this camel blazer from H&M. Super classic. A camel blazer is like one of those go-to pieces that I always reach for. Of course, it's fall, it's brown, like that's the vibe. And layered it with some knee-high boots. I have these from Zara. I have a whole video on how to style knee-high boots if you want to check that out, because I know for pear-shaped women like that is a bit of a struggle, but you can do it as we can see, and it is like giving, okay? It is serving what it should serve. So that's kind of what I recommend if you're looking at rompers for fall and how to like pull that off. Now going into jumpsuits, I love me a good jumpsuit, so I'm going to share 2 of the ways that I really like wearing jumpsuits. This first one is my jumpsuit from H&M. H&M, as you're hearing a lot, has the pieces, like they are coming with it, okay? So this is oversized, and I will say that kind of throws some people off, but the way to kind of make an oversized piece work for you, especially if you're pear-shaped, is just to make sure that there's some drawing of attention to the waist. So in this case, you see with the waist belt, you're really focusing and it's giving me that shape again. And then like the plunge top helps to create that hourglass shape to really kind of balance out my frame. And then you have the nude heels because I love to look long leg JB, because at 5'6", you know, some things can make me look a little bit short, but this really helps, like super casual. You could button it up a little bit more, wear this to the office, or again, really casual. You can grab drinks, you can go meander around downtown, especially if you're like more comfortable walking around in heels. Like this is something super easy to throw on and just instantly look chic. One color head to toe, monochrome, always works. So another really easy way to wear a jumpsuit, I have this plaid one from Bataya. This is a statement maker, okay? Something not to be afraid of. Plaid is one of those timeless prints, and I'm really going bold here and doubling down. So I love this as like still kind of casual but still kind of dressy. Like you could easily, instead of the heels, swap it out for some sneakers and it would be super chic, equally like comfortable, or even like the dad sandals, right? That could be a whole vibe. But you just have, it's kind of like boss babe, a little bit more elevated but still kind of laid back. Like it's giving what I think it should be giving in terms of like a cool girl fall vibes. Next, speaking of one pieces, we're going to go ahead and move into the dresses because again, that's just throw on and go and super easy. So one of my favorite dresses is just this simple ASOS dress. I have had this for like 3 years. It is oversized and it is the coziest thing and it gets me all the compliments, and honestly I just wear it with sneakers. Like no need to complicate it, and then I might throw like a bum bag on just to add like a little bit more texture, but this goes. And the key to buying like oversized sweater dresses like this is honestly because they're gonna have a little bit of give and they're gonna lose their shape over time, is to actually almost size down so that it fits on your hips and it really shows off like your curves, and like it gives you that body, like, because otherwise it is going to sit like a potato sack if you kind of like get your normal size. So I generally size like down, but this actually still has an oversized fit because I bought this a size down when I was a little bit bigger, so it's a little bit stretched. You could easily fix that with a waist belt if you want to. I don't feel the need to, but that's an option too. The second option is this H&M dress. It by itself is already like, she fits in all the right places. Could not recommend this dress more. But really for fall, think like long maxi coats, so trench coats, and honestly, leather is having a moment. Whether you do like a classic black like this one, or you do an actual colored leather, I'm seeing a lot of colored leather, like this is a perfect easy fall outfit. You have the sneakers, but the leather still makes it edgy, not too casual. Like if you just did the sneakers and the bum bag, the jacket just really adds something. So like always think about, as you're creating these kind of casual outfits, is like if you want it to be just a step up from just like casual, edgy outerwear is like always the answer. Last but not least, we have this And Other Stories dress that I absolutely love, and I love a good monochrome look, as you know. So another cool thing that I'm seeing a lot of is like vests. So I'm seeing more cropped vests, but because I don't own one and I didn't want to just run out and buy one simply for the sake of a video, I'm showing you this combination. So this is a longer vest. I love it. I got it from River Island like 7 years ago, and it always just like is that piece de resistance, right? It just, you see her. And then to really add some personality even to a casual look, I just wore these like kitten heel ankle boots with the tiger print, right? Little rah rah, little grr, you know, hey, little kitty cat, you know. And so that just really gives it personality. So when you're doing monochrome, like don't be afraid to add some prints or patterns to really add a little bit of personal flair and give it something a little bit different, even if you are going for something casual. I think that just makes it fun and really like sets it apart and makes it your own kind of outfit, you know what I mean? My next no fail combination for fall, especially like casual looks, is obviously denim, but denim with just fun outerwear, right? So like starting with this really simple look, this is one of my most pinned pins on Pinterest, and because look at her. So you have just a simple white jacket that's from H&M, and then the crop top is from Forever 21, the jeans also H&M, and then just some really casual sneakers. So obviously like for fall you might not want to do white, but I think it's fun and I think it still works and it translates. But this is like my super go-to like casual fall look, is just like a nice high-waisted jean and then a good outerwear piece that's either cropped or oversized. So sticking with the jacket, here's a little bit more updated, more fun idea, and very similar jacket also from H&M. Again, you guys are hearing a lot of H&M because they don't miss. Like if you know the right pieces to look for, they do not miss. So you have this awesome zebra print, because animal print, that's my personal flair, that's what I like to do. If you want to keep it casual and keep it more classic, you can do that too. A classic black, you know, turtleneck, nice and grounded to kind of ground the look together. Then you have these nice H&M jeans because they make my butt look good. And then just these cute black ankle boots that helps to kind of elongate my legs again and really just kind of like pull it up. So this is definitely like you're meeting up with the friends, maybe walking around the mall, you know, this is very casual and very fun. As it gets a little bit cooler, you might need more than a jacket. So this is a really great casual outfit combination. You have the crop leather jacket. This is from Lulu's. This is one of those, again, like iconic. It's on everybody's like things you should have in your wardrobe list. Like, and I agree. Okay, usually I'm not a fan of those lists, but like a crop leather jacket kind of goes. It doesn't have to be black. But again, you just have like the simple black tank top. We have the wide leg jeans that kind of balance out the proportions. And this is kind of drawing a little bit more attention to my hips and my waist because I really want to look like I'm poking, okay? And then you have just like the black mules to tie it together. And instead of just a plain black purse, I decided to just add some personality. I love to have like fun, funky like accessories. So that's why we have like the really fun purse with the zebra print because, you know, again, like your girl love, she a little wild. So, you know, we have the animal print in there too. And this is, again, this is something like going to meet up with the friends, grabbing a coffee, you like head into the store really quick. This is just like a little bit more elevated casual outfit. For a really sleek fall look, all black never ever fails, but to keep it from falling flat, you want to mix different textures. So as you can see here, I have like the maxi leather trench coat because again, it's a moment. I'm telling you, it's a moment. It is not too matrixy. And then you have the ribbed tank top, which adds a little bit more texture. Then you have the nice kind of fitted but a little bit of a demi boot cut. These are from Madewell. Absolutely love it. Super cute. And then we have the zebra print shoes because again, she a wild child, okay? And to add even more texture and fun, we have this purse from Naked. That braid detail though, it really just kind of pops and it keeps the outfit from falling flat. So when you're looking at creating monochrome outfits, mixing textures and even mixing like different kind of details like that braiding in the purse will really help to make it stand out and keep it from looking like too boring, you know what I mean, even though it's casual. Last but not least, if you're looking for like a more dressy or casual outfit, what I really suggest is actually like Unexpected basic. So this is an asymmetric tank top underneath like a nice classic plaid blazer, paired with like this nice fit flare denim. These are from Madewell. I really love them. And then you have like the sandal to have that nice elongated leg, because when you have a crop style like that, you really don't want like a high boot unless it meets the jeans. Otherwise it just makes your legs look stubby. So like this is kind of fun and unexpected because it's just like you have those kind of details that really set it off from being casual. If you really wanted to like swap out the sandals for some heeled sandals for like some dad sandals, that would be really cute too. But think about how you can like play with like your non-basic basics, like an asymmetric top, to really kind of like elevate an otherwise basic look. Before we get into the rest of the looks, I'm really wondering what pieces you are eyeing up for fall. What are you wearing? What are you wanting to incorporate into your closet? Honestly, like, I want more animal print. There's this leopard print dress from Lulu's that has caught my eye. But then of course, you know, I love unexpected basics. So there's also this kind of wrap sweater that I think is gonna be like super cool. I can like wear it with some jeans, nice and casual, but then I could also dress it up. So stuff like that is things that I'm eyeing up right now. And I really wanna know, someone need their brakes fixed. So those are some of the pieces I'm eyeing up. You could always keep an eye on my website, www.littlemissjbstyle.com. I have a whole list of like favorite pieces that I'm looking at buying. So let me know what you're looking at in the comments below. So in line with like the denim looks, I'm gonna go through like a couple of looks that I feel are like still casual but aren't denim. So these are just like fun pants and skirts and things like that, still with some cool outerwear for fall, because I think a lot of people overlook how you can wear some of your like more traditional work pieces casually. So first of this combination, we are bringing back the shacket. We have the crop top, and we have these really cool jeans from ASOS. So the shacket's from H&M, the crop top is from Forever 21, the pants are from River Island, and then we have the New Balance sneakers. I love the leopard print on these. It is so fun. It is so fun, and this is just a really like casual look. This is definitely an outfit like it's super casual, and I'm doing a lot of walking, but still is just like really fun and a little bit different for fall. You know how much your girl stands a monochrome fit, okay? So the same pants but with some green, because again, colored leather is having a moment this season. I don't know if you have seen it, but I'm like seeing it everywhere. Like purple is having a moment, and like purple leather, it's everywhere, especially like Nasty Gal is like the queen of it. So this is my take on it. I've had this green jacket from Burberry for a while. Love her. I have a whole blog post on like tons of ways to style this jacket because it is, we see her. So then I just paired it over like a nice like dark tank top because I didn't want to expand anywhere, and then with the pants, as we can see, like between the paper bag waist and where the jacket fits, it really helps to highlight my frame, and having the darker color on the bottom minimizes my hips a little bit to kind of create that hourglass shape. And then you have like the shoes in the same color, again because we like to be long leg and keep elongated and keep those proportions looking nice and right. So this for me is like grabbing some drinks, going to like meet up with a client, or even running into the office. Like I would wear this to work. Speaking of monochrome, we have blue. Navy is always a safe color for the fall, and it's super easy to make casual. So these high-waisted pants, you guys are seeing a theme. These are from ASOS. These are actually ASOS brand. I've had these for years. I absolutely love them. And I'm actually going to share them in another video, like all the different pants in my wardrobe, so I will give you all the tea on them then. But what I really love about this outfit is it's really casual. So you have like the long line denim jacket. Again, it goes past the widest part of my hips to kind of help minimize, but it's super edgy and kind of a little bit unexpected with the navy blue. So it's a nice pop of color. And then of course with the shoes matching the pants, long leg JB. So we have the jacket that's from Forever 21. We have the shoes that are from Dear Francis, and then this clutch from ASOS that I get so many compliments on. I thought it would be fun to just have kind of a nice little pop, and of course tan is a great color to go with blue, and it's perfect for fall. This is like I'm going to just grab like a casual dinner date, or maybe lunch with the girls, maybe even brunch, like something that's a little bit more, something that's that mix of like casual but still dressy. So the brown aesthetic is going absolutely nowhere, and I get so many questions on this leather jacket. It is from Nasty Gal. It is a couple years old. They restocked it last year. They might restock it this year, and I just love layering this in a fun, unexpected way. So this outfit's like just a little bit more playful as a casual outfit. So you have like the brown matching the brown with the tank top, which is from Forever 21. These high-waisted pants, which are from ASOS, that are the most worn pair are my most worn pair of pants. Like they always give what they need to give, okay? And then to keep it really casual, I paired it with my really comfortable like Nike Pixels because the leopard print I thought was so cute. And then just have a little bit of fun with like the pattern. I decided to go, instead of like with a boring purse, to go with like a zebra purse. I don't know why, something about it felt fun and whimsical, the different textures, the different animal prints, and I think it turned out really, really cool. This is one of those like, you have like a casual event to go to, you know what I mean? Like maybe even like a little like, you know, like a little blogger meetup or something like that. Like this is definitely checking out like a new venue or like a new store. Super, super easy, just like super easy, like to just kind of wear. Beige aesthetic has been having a whole moment on Pinterest. If you are not on Pinterest, like it is going, this train. It said, hey girl, toot toot, where we going? Toot toot. I think it's on. Okay, there you go. If you are on Pinterest, beige aesthetic is just having like its own wave, and this is my take on it. That's kind of like casual and dressy. So you have this maxi cardigan, which is from Misguided. I am so surprised. I have 2 maxi cardigans from Misguided, and they are like amazing, amazing, amazing. So if you are looking for like a maxi cardigan, I do recommend theirs. They are very soft. They keep their shape really, really well, and it has pockets. Then we're grounding the beige with like a white crop top. This is from Forever 21, super easy to throw on. And you have the pants again from ASOS, giving. And then you have these shoes kind of with the Western vibe. I keep seeing that kind of resurgence happen, and I bought these Kylie Kendall boots a while ago, and I love that they're like a little bit of the Western vibe but still like a very classic look. And then I just paired it with the tan clutch because it pops and kind of matches with the shoe. So this is something like a cozy date with bae, grabbing coffee with the girls, you know, even just like taking a stroll downtown. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about like shorts and skirts because we are transitioning. I thought, blah. So I'm gonna go ahead and share some skirts. Looking at some shorts and skirts, here are a couple of ways that you can kind of transition them from summer into the fall. So starting with a pair of shorts, I don't have a lot of like what I would consider fall shorts. A lot of mine are kind of bright and summery, but these leopard print shorts that I've had from Zara are always a move. And to really bring them into fall, knee-high boots. Knee-high boots is the best way to like bring anything that's short into the fall, whether it's like a slip dress. Knee-high boots is the answer, okay? So then I paired it with just like a really classic black turtleneck and this crop leather jacket. It's really, really edgy, super, super comfortable, and just like a classic black purse. This is something I would easily wear out to like the club, shake my booty, butt cheeks, what? Or a really cute kind of like day brunch. I think this is just like fun and playful, and this is a really great way to kind of bring your shorts from the summer into the fall. Now, when it comes to skirts, I really love a good maxi skirt for fall, and I usually like to pair them with long sleeves, but you'll notice that a lot of my outfits didn't have long sleeves simply because I sweat a lot. Like, fun fact, like I sweat a lot, so like I really do not like tight fitted sleeves, which is why you just won't see me wearing like long sleeves by themselves. They're usually layered because otherwise you're gonna see like a really gross pit stain. That aside though, for fall, like a long sleeve with a skirt is just super classic and super fun. Instead of sticking to monochrome, I decided to kind of be playful with my monochrome. So we have this leopard print turtleneck, which is from H&M, this wrap skirt, which is from ASOS, super, super comfortable, and then just some knee-high boots. Again, kind of warm. This is really for kind of like later fall. I love this as like a cute little date outfit. Maybe you're going to get some cider donuts, you're gonna walk around the pumpkin patch or something. Like, this is super, super cute. And again, if you really wanted to like swap it out for sneakers, you could, but I think with the boots it's still very casual. And then the purse just adds, again, a little bit more texture and a little more personality to really kind of add like a personal touch to the outfit. That is it. I really hope you enjoyed seeing all these different fall outfits. I really hope it gave you a good idea of all the different combinations that you can try and will look amazing on your pear-shaped body, because it is beautiful, sis. And you don't have to make it look hourglass if you don't want to. Like, we have options. We can slay however we want to. I really hope you feel empowered to look at what's in your closet and really try some new pieces and push yourself to really find your style. With that, if you vibe with me, hit that thumbs up button and of course subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification because you do not want to miss a video. If you haven't already, make sure you join my newsletter. A link is in the description below. I give you all kinds of fashion content, new in sales, pieces that might work for your body, and of course ways to wear what you own, because not only do we want to look cute, but we want to maximize them dollars and slay all day, okay? If you don't already, be sure to follow me. Here's my social media handle. I am on Instagram, I am on Pinterest, I am on TikTok. I share all different kinds of outfit inspiration, not only just what I'm wearing, but things that are inspiring me as well. So make sure you follow me there, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.